my name is Megha from the AWS office in Manchester. Today I'm going to show you how to add correspondence and attachments to an RFC. Let's get started. When a manual RFC is pending approval, an AMS operator might need further information from you. Operators will post a correspondence to the RFC and change the RFC action state to customer action pending. When you respond by adding a new RFC correspondence, then the RFC action state automatically changes to AWS action pending. To add correspondence and attachments to an RFC, follow these steps. In the AWS Management Console, navigate to Manage Services Console. On the RFC details page for an RFC, find the correspondence section at the bottom of the page. Here's an example of what you'll see before you add any correspondence and attachments. To add a new correspondence, enter your message in the reply text box. To attach files related to the correspondence, choose Add Attachment and then select the desired files. When you are finished, choose Submit. The new correspondence along with links to the attached files appear in the correspondence list on the RFC details page. Here's an example of what you'll see after you add correspondence and attachments to an RFC. Note these attributes of the RFC. You can add correspondence to an RFC after it's submitted and before it's approved. For example, you can add correspondence while it's in the state of pending approval. After an RFC is approved, in a state of scheduled or in progress, correspondence can't be added because that new information might be considered as a change to the request. After an RFC is completed, in a state of cancelled, rejected, success, or failure, correspondence is once again enabled, though adding correspondence is no longer possible when an RFC has been closed for more than 30 days. Also, each correspondence entry is limited to 5,000 characters. Note that for attachments, you can have only 3 attachments per correspondence. Only text files are accepted of any type such as JSON, YAML, text, but not limited by file extension. Each attachment must be smaller than 5 MB. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.